Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. To join Palworld public SMP, from main screen, select join multiplayer game. And here you will see some SMP servers. You can also sort server type from here. Look for a server with more players. Let's join this SMP server. Select the server, press yes. And here we are. Choose your name. Select body type, click start game, press yes, and now the intro will roll. You can skip the intro. Now you'll have to select a respawn point. Let's select this respawn point. And here we are. So this is another player. Let's unlock this fast travel. And now we can collect some woods and other materials. And here I see some material and a huge build. This is a base. Someone has created this base. And we are inside. This is a player. So this base belongs to another person. So we can't do anything here. So we collected some wood, stone, crafted some items, and from here we can start our journey. Maybe join some guild or team. Here I see a pillbox. I'll have to use my own pillbox and I'll have to build my own base. I'll have to craft my own chest. Pretty good. So this is a global PAL box, a facility that can store the genetic data of PALs and allows you to reconstruct them from this data. The stored genetic data can also be transferred to other worlds. Pretty good. Press escape to see players list. Click return to title to exit the game.